Hello everyone. Today we are off to a stroll on the Shimla Ridge and the Shimla Mall Road. Right now we are walking on the side of the Lakkad Bazaar, which would ultimately connect to the eastern side of the ridge. Then after spending some time at the ridge, we would walk towards the Mall Road, which connects to the ridge from the Suicide Point on the west side. So let's see what's in the ridge. Some old residential houses at the top of the commercial shops I can see. Also, it's about 11 a.m. in the morning, and still many of the shops are closed on Monday. That's interesting. Some views from the Lakkad Bazaar side of the valley. Beautiful views. We have come to Shimla from Palampur, which lies in the Kangra region. And quite curiously, the story of Shimla also starts from that very region of Kangra. It starts in the year 1805 when the Kangra king threatened the kingdom of Bilaspur, and the king of Bilaspur invited a huge Gurkha army to defend. Yeah. So finally reached the Shimla Ridge, the famous Shimla Ridge. Even today Shimla Ridge looks like real fun and full of energy. Amazing place, an amazing atmosphere. So we are on the ridge of Shimla. Considering this was once the summer capital of the country, a very historic and important place. By the way, Shimla Ridge has statues of 5 important personalities: Lieutenant General Daulat Singh, Mahatma Gandhi, the former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, Y.S. Parmar, Dr. Y.S. Parmar, who was the first Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh, and the former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who really had something from Himachal Pradesh and used to do a lot of vacation here. Come. मैंने ध्यान से फोन दिखा ध्यान रखा डालने के लिए दिया है ठीक है इसमें बीच में रहा तो ज़्यादा अच्छा दिलवाते हैं मैम beautiful views. I guess those are the Sanjoli range, the snow-covered Sanjoli range, if I'm not mistaken. That's okay. I'm okay. Now moving towards the famous Christ Church that was built, I guess, in 1844 in a neo-Gothic structure. Beautiful church on the Shimla Ridge. Yeah. Oh, that's the Hanumanji. Jaku. That's the famous Hanuman statue on the Jaku hill. When the Treaty of Sagali was signed between the Gorkha Kingdom and the British in the year 1816, Shimla, as part of the treaty, went to the British. The only place in Shimla at that point of time where there was some pakka construction was the temple at this very Jaku hill. Some people even believe that this is the place where Hanumanji got the very famous Sanjeevani booty as mentioned in the epic of Ramayana. Candle Point, Lakkad Bazaar. Over there, that side. Chalo, let's go there. Let's go back. Now, why I say that the history of Shimla come from Kangra. I've also mentioned this story en route from Palampur to Shimla. Having won the Kangra fort with the help of Maharaja Ranjit Singh, the then Katoj king Sansar Chand went on an expansion drive. Later, when he laid his eyes on the Bilaspur Empire, the king of Bilaspur invited the Gurkha army for his aid. Seeing this, Sansar Chand also asked for help from Maharaja Ranjit Singh, resulting in the Gurkha-Sikh war, which the Gurkha army lost, and this resulted in the Gurkhas moving further south and creating fortifications around Shimla. This alarmed the British. After the British Gurkha War, the Treaty of Sugauli was signed in 1816, which led to Shimla being acceded to British. Thus the trigger from Kangra led to Shimla falling from the Gurkhas into the hands of the British, which later made this construction of the famous Ridge and the Mall Road. So now we are walking on the other side of the ridge. This is the west side of the ridge, which goes to the Suicide Point, and from there it meets the Mall Road of Shimla. This side of the ridge has very British style buildings, old buildings, molded in the British style. All the government buildings and other artistic buildings are here on this side of the ridge. Dramatic Club.
मिल लेता है बड़े साल हो गए नया साल अभी तो चला हुआ नया साल ठीक है कोई रेंट के लिए तो नहीं जाता
Very nice.
There's a market.
Yeah, we'll go. We'll go a bit.
Branded market.
We're tired.
नीचे.
We'll go. We'll go abhi. The mayor. Mayor and deputy mayor. Mayor and deputy mayor's office. So we are now approaching the Scandal Point area, and this is also the place where the Shimla Ridge connects to the Shimla Mall. We are going to have a small stroll at the Shimla Mall after this. Now the name Scandal Point, according to some accounts, is because from this very place, the then Maharaja of Patiala eloped with the Viceroy's daughter. Now, how true this story is cannot actually be corroborated.
Shopping lane. Sili Hanuman Lane. Sili Hanuman Lane.
Church here?
It's a different church.
Looks like.
Ban Purana.
So finally, we are on to the famous Mall Road of Shimla. It's quite a pleasant walk on this mall road. Now, unlike the mall roads of other hill towns or hill stations, the Mall Road of Shimla looks quite modern with many latest brands, while at the same time maintaining its distinctive character. Walking on this mall, it is a mixed feeling of nostalgia and freshness. So taking a small coffee break at this Cafe Ashiana on the Ridge Road of Shimla. So after soaking in these wonderful views from the ridge and of the ridge itself, it's time to get back to the hotel. Thanks for watching and bye for now.